I'm here with tonight's second Supermodified feature winner, Dave Shullick Jr. Take us through your night.
Yeah, the first one we just weren't that good. We were started a little tight, and then I ended up running into Logan and bending up the front nose wing and knocking the toe out, and it just kind of got worse from there. And just decided not to push it too hard and try to save something for the second race, try to make a good situation out of a bad first race. So, and that's what we did. We got a third place starting spot, and still had Tyler in front of us, and had some good cars that we had to challenge. So, luckily we were able to get out front, and the car was really strong in the second one. So I was able to cut the center and get downhill and get underneath some guys. So.
Yeah, I was going to say, it looked like Tyler had the thing to beat for quite a while, and then you kind of snuck it away from him.
Yeah, once I got into second, I was able to roll up on him, and I was rolling the outside pretty good. And he was drifting up, so when I got in there on him, I had to get it all the way in wheel to wheel to stop him from drifting up. So it was kind of a good race, and we put on a good show for the fans. I want to thank the crew, Chris, Brian, Jim, Sean, Matt, Ashton. Jim, this was big for Jim tonight. Jim's battling some stuff, and he's probably not got too many these races left. So to be able to have him in victory lane and dedicate this night to him was pretty special. Riverwalk, Oswego, Holiday Inn Express, Old City Hall Brewery coming on this year, and then TJ Toyota for all that they do.
And then I was going to ask, Jim was your old tire guy?
Yeah,
I thought I heard.
Tire guy. Yeah, so not last year, but the year before, he was my tire guy. But last year, we said we promoted him to a supervisor because obviously he was battling something. So, it was a really special night to have him in victory lane with us.
Awesome. Well, congrats on the win again tonight, and hopefully, we can get some more interviews with you, and you'll have a good year this year.
Thank you. Appreciate it.